From April 2nd, 2025, citizens of the European Union have a new requirement when travelling to Great Britain. Without meeting this requirement, you may not even be allowed to board the plane. Every EU citizen who does not have British citizenship or an immigration status in the United Kingdom needs an electronic travel authorisation called ETA before travelling. You need to obtain it before your trip, and it does not matter whether you are travelling by plane or ferry. The carrier must check that you have an ETA before you begin your journey. If you do not have it, the carrier may simply refuse to let you board. The good news is that you do not need to apply for an ETA for every single trip. It is valid for 2 years or until your passport expires, whichever comes first. During this time, you can travel to Great Britain multiple times. Now I will show you how the ETA registration works, how much it costs, how your passport is scanned using your phone, and how quickly you receive approval. When purchasing or booking a flight, the carrier may ask whether you already have an ETA. If you indicate that you do not, you will usually be redirected to the official website where you can apply for the authorisation. Or you may be advised to download the UK ETA mobile app. Links to both options can also be found in the description of this video. Once you download the app, it will guide you through the process step by step. First, you will need to verify your identity, then answer a few questions, and finally make the payment. You will verify your identity using a valid passport, a valid email address, your phone number, and live selfie photos. The questions will relate to your employment status, your occupation, and your criminal history. At the end, you will make the payment, currently £16. Part of the registration process also includes uploading your biometric passport. Using your mobile phone, the chip inside the passport is scanned through NFC technology, so you need to have this function enabled on your phone. When the app prompts you, simply place your phone against your passport, exactly as shown in this video. Once you complete the application and pay the fee, you will first receive an email confirming that your application and payment have been received. This email will also include your application reference number and information that a decision is usually made within 3 days. You will then need to wait for another email confirming whether your application has been approved. In most cases, however, the decision arrives much sooner, often on the same day. And that is all. You do not need to print anything or show any documents. Your ETA is electronically linked to your passport, and both carriers and border control can see it directly in the system. At many British airports, there are also automatic e-gates, where you simply place your passport on the reader, look at the camera, and the gate opens. So if you have your ETA and a valid passport, nothing will hold you back. So, welcome to Great Britain.